Hi friends, this is a sum on linear equations, but I can assure you that it has the possibility of taking you round in circles. So let me first tell you the sum. Initially A has 1/3 of what B and C together have. Initially A has 1/3 of what B and C together have, and C has 1/5 of what A and B together have. A has 1/3 of what B and C together have, and C has 1/5 of what A and B together have. After redistribution, finally B has 1/3 of what A and C together have. That means after redistribution, whatever A and C together have, B has 1/3 of that, and C has half of what A and B together have after redistribution. After redistribution, C has half of what A and B together have. You have to find the quantity before and after. You have to find the quantity before and after that each person had if total quantity is 12 units. I would suggest you pause the video and try this sum, and if you can't do it, then go for the solution. Now, the solution is as follows. Let initially B and C have 3x. We can assume that B and C have 3x. A has 1/3 of what B and C has. A has 1/3 of what B and C have. So A will have 1/3 of 3x, that is x. So total A plus B plus C is x plus 3x, that is 4x is 12. So x is 12 by 4 or 3. So initially A has 3 units. Similarly, we can assume that initially A and B have 5y. We can assume that initially A and B have 5y. C has 1/5 of what A and B have. So C has 1/5 of 5y, that is y. A plus B plus C will have 5y plus y, that is 6y, which is 12. So y equal to 2. That means initially C has 2 units. So initially A has 3 units, C has 2 units. Then we can easily find out that A plus C have 3 plus 2, 5 units. So B has the remaining 12 minus 5 or 7 units. So we get initially A has 3 units, C has 2 units, and B has 7 units. Now again we'll take an assumption for the final distribution. Finally we can assume that after redistribution A and C have 3z. B has 1/3 of what A and C have together, so B has z units. So z plus 3z, that is 4z, is 12 units. Hence z is 3 units. So finally B has 3 units. Similarly, we can assume that finally A and B have 2p units. C has half of what A and B have. So C will have half of 2p, that is p units. P plus 2p, 3p is 12. So C has 4 units. So finally B and C have 3 and 4 units, that is 7 units. Therefore finally A will have 12 minus 7, that is 5 units. I am sure you will find the sum very easy now, but if you could solve it initially, I would say great. Otherwise, this is a very simple sum which can get very complicated. Thanks and cheers.